Choosing the right materials for your mid-hill concrete patio is crucial for both durability and aesthetics. The materials you select will impact the longevity of your patio as well as its visual appeal. By ensuring that the materials are suitable for the local climate and environment, you can prevent premature wear and damage. Additionally, selecting materials that complement your design vision will create a cohesive outdoor space that enhances the overall look of your patio. When selecting materials for your concrete patio, several key factors need to be considered. These factors include the materials with a resistance to withstand the elements, the design style to match your outdoor aesthetic, the maintenance requirements for long-term upkeep, and the budget considerations to ensure affordability. Whether resistance ensures durability, design style enhances visual appeal, maintenance requirements affect upkeep efforts, and budget considerations help in making a cost-effective choice. By evaluating these factors carefully, you can choose materials that best suit your needs and preferences. Stamped concrete, exposed aggregate, pavers, and natural stone are popular material options for concrete patios, each offering unique features and benefits. Stamped concrete provides a variety of patterns and textures for a customized look. Exposed aggregate offers a decorative finish with added traction. Pavers allow for easy installation and versatile design options. Natural stone exudes elegance and timeless beauty. Understanding the characteristics of these materials can help you choose the best option that suits your style preferences and functional needs. Matching materials with your design vision is essential for creating a cohesive and visually appealing concrete patio. Consider color schemes to create harmony and balance in your outdoor space. Think about texture preferences to add depth and visual interest to the patio surface. Ensure that the materials you choose align with the overall outdoor aesthetic you want to achieve, whether it's modern, traditional, or rustic. By carefully selecting materials that complement your design vision, you can ensure that your concrete patio reflects your style and enhances the beauty of your outdoor area. In the expert recommendations and conclusion section, you will gain valuable insights on selecting the right materials for your mid-hill concrete patio. Expert advice will help you make informed decisions based on factors like durability, aesthetics, and functionality. The key takeaways provided will serve as a guide for choosing materials that align with your preferences and requirements, ensuring a well-constructed and visually appealing outdoor space. By following these recommendations, you can create a concrete patio that not only enhances your property but also stands the test of time.